Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Chase mobile app. So let's jump right in. First things first, go to the Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone and download the Chase mobile app. If you already have it installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version available to avoid any issues. Once everything is set, go ahead and open the app. The first thing you'll be asked is to allow location access. Since Chase is a US-based banking app, it requires your device to be located in the United States in order to work properly. So make sure to grant the location permission when prompted. After that, you'll land on the welcome screen where you'll be asked to enter a few personal details. One of the first things it asks is what type of account you want to open. You'll see three options: personal, business, or a combination of both. For this guide, let's go with the personal account option. Next, you'll be asked to enter your debit or credit card number. Just type it in carefully in the space provided. After that, the app may prompt you to enter your social security number. However, if you don't have one, you can simply tap on the blue text that says, "Don't have a social security number," to skip that step. You will still need to enter your date of birth though, as that part is required. Following that, you'll need to create a username. Choose something easy to remember but secure. Once all the information is filled out, tap on the next button. At this point, the app may ask you to verify your identity. This could involve scanning an ID or confirming some details. Just follow the instructions shown on your screen. And that's it. Once you complete the verification, your Chase mobile account setup will be complete, and you'll be ready to use the app for managing your finances.